Hello, let me show you how you can improve battery life on your Motorola Moto G86 5G. If you are using one of these features that I'm gonna mention, don't worry, just stay with this feature. But if you turn off most of them, you will see the big improvement of your battery. So we have to start by going to the settings, and we'll start from privacy settings. So go to the security and privacy, and right now you will have to go for more security and privacy. Over here, we have to go for the usage and diagnostics and simply turn it off. Now we'll have to go back from this one and we'll have to navigate for the Google section, go to the all services. First of all, go to the cross devices services, turn them off, and do the same with device scanning. So it's actually scanning for nearby devices. There we go. Now we have to go back from this one and we have to go for location services. It was located here, the Wi-Fi scanning and also the Bluetooth scanning. Additionally, you can turn off location accuracy by clicking here. Now we can go back from this one. And also, if you are not using location, for example, you are in your office, in your home, you can turn off location because it's just taking a lot of your battery and you are not using this feature right now. Now we'll have to go for applications screen, which is located here, and just make sure that you have removed all applications that you don't really using, like some bloatware that comes with the phone or some apps that you are currently not using, because all of those apps start popping in the background, taking a lot from your mobile data, from your Wi-Fi, and yeah, that's what I can recommend you. Also, I will recommend you to go for the screen time, and if there's like any application that you are not really using, but it appears right here, you can simply try to also get rid of it or block background usage. So how it looks, you will have to open this application and go to the battery usage and disable that option, don't allow background usage. So as you can see, when we disable this one, we'll save battery. Now let's move forward, and when we are just over here in the application screen, now we'll have to navigate for notifications. So if you need some of the applications but you don't really want to receive notifications, you can just turn them off. And it actually looks the same for, all of those notifications in the lock screen. So you can actually hide all of them. There we go. Now we'll have to go for the display. In this place, I will recommend you to turn on adaptive brightness, turn on dark mode, but for this video, I will stay with the white one. Everything is more visible. And also to set the refresh rate for this one to get the lowest battery consumption. So you will set your screen refresh rate for 60 Hz. And also make sure that you are gonna change the screen timeout for 15 or 30 seconds. Now, when you go back from this one, we have to navigate for the sound and vibration. We have to scroll down for this one, for all of those sounds. And if you don't really need those sounds like screenshot or screen locking sound, just make sure that you turn it off, and it looks the same for vibrations. Now, when you go back from this one, we have to go for home and the lock screen. Go to the lock screen for the first and turn off sleep display. This is the always on display for sure. Now we have to go for the live lock screen and also make sure that we turn it off. And right now we'll have to go back from this one. We have to go to the home settings and go to the swipe access and make sure that you have turned on the Google Discover. So this is that screen that appears on the left side in your home screen when you slide into the right side. Next, what we can do over here, definitely we can go into the network settings. Over here, open Wi-Fi. And now when you scroll down, go to the network preferences, turn off this auto Wi-Fi, turn on, and notifications for public networks. And if you are connected to the mobile data and you are not using Wi-Fi, make sure that you switch this off. and the same for mobile data. So if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you don't really need your mobile data to be turned on. Now make sure that you are not using hotspot and tethering, that it doesn't appear in the background. And now when you go for the connected devices, it actually looks the same with Bluetooth. So if you are not using some headphones or earbuds, just switch this off. Then you can go for printing and simply turn off default print service. And now go into the quick share and switch who can share with you, select no one, your devices, and additionally turn off visible to nearby devices, so you can quickly turn off the quick sharing. Now you can also turn off 5G if not using, so by going to the mobile data, just go to your SIM cards, select your SIM card, and now go to the preferred network type and switch into the 4G.